So we're going to go ahead and open it up and see how it looks. I wanted to say one thing, but I forgot. All right, so let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. I hope my camera is getting a good view of all this. Let me kind of peek at my camera. Yeah, it is. And then I'm going to cut the tape here. So I'm going to open this up. Put that table there. So let's see. So the first thing is probably the accessories back, and there's the computer. There's accessories. So let's see what you get. You get I believe this is the Wi-Fi antenna that you screw on the back of your computer. Yep, that's what that is. Then you have the Dell warranty safety. You get a mouse, a regular mouse. It's a Dell mouse, not an Alienware mouse. You get a keyboard. I don't know what, and you get the power cord, of course. Let's see what kind of keyboard this is. It doesn't look like a Dell keyboard, but we'll find out. Let's open that up. Let's see what this is. No, it is a Dell keyboard. Yep, it is a Dell keyboard. So, there's your accessories. We're gonna put that aside. Now here's the actual computer. Now, I ordered a, this was on the outlet. It is a i9 14th gen processor, the K version. It's has a 4090 video card in it. So I know those are very hard to get now. NVIDIA has discontinued them. So that has a 4090, has 64 gigs of DDR5 RAM, 4 terabyte hard drive. So I'm going to take it out of the box. I'm going to try to be careful. Let's put that here for now. And let's move the box over. Put that underneath the table. And here's the computer. So you see it's in a nice little package. So let's turn it over. So you can take the top part off. And then we can take the bottom off. Let's put this away. So there's the computer. As you see, it says Aurora on it. So there's a scratch. There's some scratches there. So obviously it is from the scratch Dell outlet. So it was a used computer, scratched, but you get a discount. It still has the plastic on it, and it's brand new. Probably from the previous. Probably someone bought it, returned it. There's the front. You can see a little scratch there. It's an i9 processor. There's your Alienware logo. So let me turn it over on the back view here. Oh. So of course this is the back of the computer. You got your Aurora R16 sound, USB-C, the video card. Here's the part where you screw the wireless antenna in. I can open it up for you. We can check it out. Oh, this thing is, I don't want to get it, scratch it up a little. Let me put it on the floor, on the table, not floor. So here's the cover. So it still has a plastic seal on it. So the only scratches I saw was on the side and on the thing there on the front. So if I lift it up, you can see it's a refurbished from the Dell outlet. So see, refurbished. So let me get a screwdriver. I have to open this up so we can look inside. All right, I'll be back. I'm back. I got a screwdriver, so we're going to go and open this over here. And it's the thing that comes. I think I got to open a little bit more. And there we go. So there's the thing there. So as you can see inside, this is your 4090. It's a big card. And there's a CPU with the coolant, the liquid coolant on, and it goes up into here where there's a radiator that kind of cools the liquid and sends it back. RAM and a hard drive, and you got some cooling fans here, space for another hard drive. So that's really the inside of the computer. So I'll do another video of me firing it up and playing around with it. But there you go. This is the Aurora R16. So you guys should check it out on Dell's. Look at Dell's outlet site. They got a lot of outlet computers that are pretty good prices that you can pick one up. So all right, thanks a lot. Please like and subscribe and have a good day.